Hi students, I am Ranjit Raj. Welcome to my channel Math Learning Tutorial. So students, in previous video we learnt about remainder theorem. Also we solved problems on remainder theorem. So in this video we are going to solve few more problems on remainder theorem. And children, you can also find my previous videos in playlist. Okay. Now let's see problem number 3 in exercise 2.3. Find the remainder when 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is divided by 2x minus 3. Does it exactly divide the polynomial? State reason. So children, see what is the remainder theorem? If p of x is a polynomial and if it is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. Okay, if p of x is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. So this is remainder theorem. So children, here take the given polynomial as p of x. Okay, so p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 5 and take the divisor. So take the divisor polynomial as g of x, that is 2x minus 3, and now children, we need to find the remainder by using remainder theorem. So remainder by remainders theorem. Okay, by remainders theorem. So children, we need to equate this linear expression to 0. Then 2x is equal to 0 plus 3. X is equal to into becomes by 3 by 2. So by remainders theorem, remainder is p of 3 by 2. Now find the remainder, children. P of 3 by 2. Just replace this x value with 3 by 2. So 2 into 3 by 2 square minus 3 into 3 by 2 plus 5. Okay, so 2 into 3 by 2 whole square, that is 3 square by 2 square, 9 by 4, minus 3 into 3 means 3 into 3 by 2, children. 3 nothing but 3 by 1, 3 3s are 9, by 1 2s are 2. So minus 9 by 2 plus 5. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. So what is there, children? 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 plus 5. So 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 will get cancelled. Finally, what is the remainder, children? 5. Okay, so what is the remainder? Remainder is 5. Now, does it exactly divide the polynomial? So children, if your remainder is 0, then we can tell that particular divisor is dividing exactly. But here our remainder is non-zero. We got remainder as 5. So 2x minus 3, okay, 2x minus 3 is 2x minus 3 is not dividing p of x, not dividing p of x exactly. Okay, it's not dividing exactly. So reason, so state reason they mentioned. Because remainder is non-zero. Okay, remainder is non-zero. That is the reason this 2x minus 3 not dividing 2x square minus 3x plus 5 exactly. Okay, children, let's see now problem number 4. Find the remainder when 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5 is divided by x minus 2 by 3. Okay, so children, here take the given polynomial as p of x, that is equal to 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5, and that's divided by another linear polynomial, let it be g of x, and it is the divisor polynomial x minus 2 by 3. And children, so when we are dividing this p of x with this g of x, what will be our remainder? That is the question. So we have to use the remainders theorem. So children, very simple. In remainders theorem, you just equate the divisor polynomial to 0, find x, substitute that x value in given polynomial. So then we'll get the remainder. Okay. So simply, if P of x is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is P of a. So children, so just x minus 2 by 3 equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 plus 2 by 3. So that is 2 by 3. X is equal to 2 by 3. So by remainders theorem, remainder is equal remainder is equal P of 2 by 3. So children, we need to find the P of 2 by 3 value. So that we need to substitute in the place of x. So 9 into 2 by 3 whole cube minus 3 into 2 by 3 whole square plus 2 by 3 minus 5. Now 9 into, children, 2 by 3 whole cube. A by b whole power m is equal to what? A power n by b power n. So 2 by 3 whole power 3. 2 cube by 3 cube, that is 8 by 27. Minus 3 into 2 by 3 whole square. 2 square by 3 square, that is 4 by 9. Plus 2 by 3 minus 5. 9 ones are 9 threes are. 3 ones are 3 threes are, right? So 8 into 1, 8 by 3. 8 by 3 minus 4 ones are 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 1. We can write like this. So there is no denominator, we can write by 1. Now LCM of 3, 3, 3, 1 is 3 only. Okay. So 3 ones are 3, that 1 into 8 is 8. Minus 3 ones are 3, that 1 into 4 is 4. Plus 3 ones are 3, that 1 twos are 2. So minus, we have to divide this LCM with the denominator of the last fraction, that is 1. So 1 threes are 3, that 3 into 5. So minus 3 fives are 15. So now children, what are the positive numbers? 8 and 2, that is 10. Minus 5, minus 4 minus 15 value is minus 19. So both are negative numbers, so we have to add and take the minus symbol. By 3. 10 minus 19 is negative 9 by 3. So result is negative 3. Okay. So children, our remainder is negative 3. In this way we will solve this problem. Let's see question number 5. If the polynomials 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 and x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a leave the same remainder when divided by x minus 2, find the value of a. Okay, so children, there are two polynomials. So give names as p of x and h of x. Okay, so what are the given reminders? P of x, that is 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5. And what is the other polynomial? H of x, so that is x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a. So children, so when these two polynomials are divided by, so the divisor polynomial be g of x, that is x minus 2. So when these two polynomials are divided by x minus 2, they are leaving the same remainder. Then find the value of a. A is there in the first expression and in the second expression also. So that a value we need to find. Okay, so children, just equate this x minus 2 0, x is equal to 0 plus 2, that is 2. So by reminders theorem, remainder is equal to p of 2 comma h of 2. Two remainders are there. So according to the problem, ATP means children, according to the problem, p of 2 is equal to h of 2. Both are leaving the same remainders. So in p of x substitute 2. So 2 into 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 5. So that is equal to h of 2. In h of x, wherever x is there, they just use write 2. So 2 cube plus 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus a. So now children, simplify this. 2 into 2 cube value, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Plus a into 2 square value 4. Plus 3 2s are 6 minus 5. That is equal to cube is 8 plus 2 square is 4 minus 4 2s are 8 plus a. Children, here plus 8 minus 8 cancel directly. And here 8 2s are 16 plus 4 into a is 4a plus 6 minus 5 children. 6 minus 5 value is what? 1. So plus 1, that is equal to 4. 8 minus 8, that cancel. 4 plus a is left. 4 plus a. Now children, now what will be the next step? 16 plus 1 is what? 17. 17 plus 4a is equal to 4 plus a. Okay, 4 plus a. Now children, we need to use the transposing concept. Transpose plus a to the left hand side and 17 to the right hand side. Then what you will get? 4a minus a is equal to 4 minus 17. So 4a minus a is nothing but children 1a. So 4a minus 1a is 3a, or 4a minus a is 3a. That is equal to negative 12. 4 minus 17 is negative 13. Okay, I am sorry, negative 13. So children, what will be a? So 3a is equal to negative 13 and a is equal to into becomes by negative 13 by 3. So finally, so when these two polynomials are leaving the same remainder when divided by x minus 2, then the value of a is negative 13 by 3. So this is the answer. So in this way we will solve this problem. Now children, see problem number 6. If the polynomials x cube plus ax square plus 5 and x cube minus 2x square plus a are divided by x plus 2 and leave the same remainder, find the value of a. So children, take the given polynomials as p of x and h of x. So p of x is equal to x cube plus ax square plus 5 and h of x is x cube minus 2x square plus a. And children, these two polynomials are divided by linear polynomial x plus 2. So let that linear polynomial be g of x, that is equal to x plus 2. Okay, so children, what we need to do? So this divisor polynomial should be equal to 0. So x is equal to plus 2 becomes 0 minus 2, that is negative 2. So by reminder's theorem, what are the reminders, children? So reminders is equal to p of negative 2 comma h of negative 2. So ATP means according to the problem. According to the problem, these two reminders are same. P of minus 2 is equal to h of minus 2. So like what is p of x? X cube plus ax square plus 5. Just replace x with minus 2. So minus 2 cube plus a into minus 2 square plus 5 is equal to h of negative 2. Minus 2 cube minus 2 into minus 2 square plus a. Okay, negative 2 cube is equal to negative 8, children. Plus a into negative 2 square is 4 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to negative 2 cube is negative 8 minus 2 into negative 2 square is plus 4 plus a. Okay, now children, both sides negative 8 is there. Actually you can cancel it, children. So same thing, same symbol. Now 4 into a is what? 4a. 4a plus 5 is equal to negative 2 into 4. Minus 2 into 4 is negative 8 plus a. Now just transpose plus a to the left hand side, that is 4a minus a, that is equal to negative 8. So plus 5 becomes minus 5. Okay. So children, 4a minus a is 3a. Okay, so 3a is equal to negative 13. Minus 5 is minus 13. And a is equal to into becomes by minus 13 by 3. So children, finally this is the answer. A is equal to negative 13 by 3. Okay students, I hope you understood well. If you have any doubts, please put in the comment section. And children, thank you for watching my videos, and please subscribe and share with your friends.